Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my another live stream for me and for everyone. Thank you for being here, and I'm so excited for today's live stream because I'm interviewing beautiful, amazing mom from Vancouver, Canada, and she's a full-time worker who is building her business alongside her busy family life. So her story is real, relatable, and so inspiring. So especially for anyone wondering if this is possible while juggling family and work. So let's just bring Sis Mary Rose to the stage.
Hello, everybody.
Hello, hello, sis. Hello, Mary Rose. Um, so let's just, so Mary Rose is from Vancouver, Canada, sis, di ba?
Yeah,
Vancouver.
from
Yeah.
Vancouver.
How are you?
I'm
How's
good.
the kids?
The kids are settling. We just got home from school,
Oh,
kaya they're downstairs. So,
ayan na. So, thank you, sis, pag itong ano ha, impromptu short notice invitation.
no,
So,
anytime, anytime.
we will just do it quickly then.
Yeah,
For the so can you just introduce yourself and who you are and what you do outside our business.
yeah. So, thank you, Sis Liza, for the beautiful introduction. My name is Mary Rose, and I am originally from the Philippines in Pampanga. So, proud Kapampangan. Actually, half Kapampangan, half Bulaqueña. That's my background. And I'm the eldest of five. And now I have my own family here in Canada. My husband and I, with our two beautiful kids. And what else? I used to be a banker.
Mhm.
I worked in the banking industry for almost 10 years, and I have switched to healthcare after. But before all the nice job title, I used to do all the survival jobs here in Vancouver, which I know most of the immigrants out there who are watching us can relate to. So that's my short and sweet background. So back to you, Sis Lisa. Thank you.
Salamat, sis. Thank you for sharing that. So let's just so that shows that we are real people, isn't it? That this business simply fits into our lives and
Mhm.
not the other way around. So let's just I'll just ask you the next question. So ano yung naging motivation mo? What motivated you to join the business?
Yeah, this business, actually, when I moved to Canada, parang iba yung mindset natin. We used to have this thinking that the grass is always greener on the other side.
Yeah,
Kaya
that's correct.
that's usually the case with immigrants. But we were so shocked upon moving to Canada kasi we couldn't find the right job right away. We had to start from the very bottom. And yun nga, as I've mentioned in my introduction, I worked a lot of survival jobs when we arrived in Canada. And that includes walking the dogs, taking care of babies and the elderly, cleaning houses, and so forth and so on. Until I landed a job in the banking industry. And I thought, this is it. I'm actually living the dream. I have this career, it's stable. And as I moved up in my career, I realized that I was giving most of my time towards work and lesser for my family. And at that time, I was still building my own family.
Mhm.
Bata pa, baby pa yung panganay ko. Kaya we had no choice but to send her to daycare. And that was really hard for me as a mom because you want to be the one looking after your kids, not other people. And also, you have values that you want to teach to your kids na hindi makukuha sa daycare. But again, no choice. And the only way we knew how to live was to be an employee. Kasi yun naman yung training sa atin. That's how we were brought up. It's to get to a good school, get a nice degree, and then you will find the perfect job, and then you live happily ever after. That
Yeah.
was the case. Um, I just realized that I shouldn't be trading my time for money. Yun nga, as I got more promotions, it meant lesser time for my family. And it wasn't healthy anymore until pandemic happened. That's when I realized a small thing can become a big thing
Mm.
kung wala kang plan B. If you don't have any plan B. So when the pandemic happened, I was already contemplating whether I should stay in my previous job or look for something else. But where would I go? I don't want I don't want to be an employee again. But at the same time, where would I go? I don't know any other thing to do.
Yeah.
Kasi I wasn't trained to have an entrepreneur mindset. So the turning point really was I was falling out of love of that career. Sabi ko, in a blink of an eye, pwede palang kunin sa'yo yung job na akala mo forever job mo na. I
Yeah.
thought that's gonna be my retirement career. So,
Mm.
hindi pala. I switched to healthcare. But even then, there was already a nagging voice in my head na, what would happen if I get injured at work? Or suddenly, there's a change in management, um, nagkaroon na ng ano, papalitan na, suddenly yung job title mo hindi na siya kailangan dun sa work mo, what will happen to me? Wala akong plan B. And that was a really scary thought. Kaya sabi ko, it's time for me to make a move. Ano mang yung move na yon, hindi ko alam. So I was just scrolling through my social media. Dun ko nakita, it's actually a high school schoolmate. And she's already a successful chef in Australia, but she gave up that career
Yeah.
for the business. And I was really intrigued
Really amazing. Yeah.
because why would somebody successful give up a very good paying career? So I resonated with her story. I reached out to her and then I found out about this business. And to my surprise, she wasn't really pushing the business. She was just telling me what she's doing. So that's when I made the decision to give it a try. Kasi if I don't step out of my comfort zone, nothing will happen. No one will help me but myself. Wala
Yes.
naman, 'di ba? Kahit dumaing ako sa social media, even if I tell people that these are my complaints, no one will help me. Kaya ako na lang, I'll help myself. Yeah, yun yung naging turning point really. Yung realization na at any point, something may happen
Yeah.
that will make that stable job unstable. So the question should be, what are you gonna do? Or are you gonna wait na may mangyari pa bago ka gumawa ng action? So yun po.
Yeah. I'm thank you for being so honest with that, sis. Kasi I'm very sure that a lot of people watching right now can relate to your
Mhm.
story, especially when you mentioned about what happened to you and heading up. You realize that really needed a plan B. So and and um and in terms of starting, it's not because everything is perfect, 'di ba?
Mhm.
And then but because something has needed to change. So that's really a very good story that has motivated you to come and step forward and start your journey. So that's really And let me just what's the next? Let me just so what was so what at this point of your journey, sis, what are the things this business has already given you? It's just not financially, but also in terms of mindset, confidence, and personal growth. Ano ba yung
Yeah.
mga, kasi,
Yeah, that's right. When I joined the businesses, actually, I
ah,
was just looking for extra
ah,
income.
yeah,
Hindi ko talaga in-expect there's more. There's
mm,
something more
me
beyond the
too. Yeah,
financial gain. And very thankful kasi it has shifted my mindset into a more hopeful. See, I have a guest coming. Come in.
kunin mo na siya.
That's the why. Yeah, I'm
The
here.
why. Oh, get the why na.
Ate
You
will
get
help.
the why.
Hold on. Yeah, that's my why. And yeah, with the mindset, I think there's more hope and I am more positive. As
Yeah,
compared to before when I didn't have a plan B, you're always thinking far ahead. What would my retirement look like? The future of my
yeah,
kids look like? 'Di ba? Am I able to buy this or that? Am I able
correct.
to help and support people? Tapos you always go back to the steady income. And then your answer will
Yeah,
be no. It's not enough. You cannot help. But now with this digital business, there's that big hope and reality na
yeah,
you will have the ability to actually bless others. Hindi
yeah,
ka na limited. Sabi nga nila, money is the root of all evil. Actually, no. It's your
no,
intention with the money that will
yeah,
determine kung ano ba yon sa buhay mo. Kapag limited yung source mo, limited din yung way mo to help. So, I'm just so glad with this digital business. Yung mindset mo na iba. Now, I am working more into growing my business kasi I have the goal to help more people. Not just my family, but it
yeah,
extends sa mga relatives and to
yeah,
more family out there na who are also looking for a breakthrough. It's here.
it's
Na
here.
hindi ko nakikita noon kasi nga limited talaga yung income mo kapag fix yung income na hinihintay mo. And with regards to confidence, pumasok po ako dito na mahiyain. Yeah, when I joined this
I
digital
don't,
business,
I don't notice it.
I wouldn't even dare hop online and talk to in front of the camera with much confidence. And I think it's because of the digital business, with the training and also the people I met and continue to meet throughout the business. I am just really thankful na part siya of the package. Hindi siya yung tipong you're on your own. Itong mga taon to, like Sis Liza, we just met online. We're part of this group of entrepreneurs,
Yeah,
Filipino women entrepreneurs. We just share like this and you will learn from people. Kaya don't try to solve everything by yourself. Merong solution and we are here to help. Yan po yung ano, with personal growth, um, tingin ko, parang ang dami nating gustong i-explore ngayon. Now that the
mm-mm.
online space has been unlocked,
Really a lot.
ngayon, marami kang ano you're looking forward, oh, how do I learn AI? How
Yeah,
can I navigate the online space using this app? How can I speak more confidently? How can I help more people? So yung growth ko, I can actually share sa ibang tao and when you give, you grow even more.
yeah,
Tapos you accept feedback. Kaya very very big blessing talaga sa akin yung digital business and I don't normally share this kasi very recent lang. When I had something we had a really big challenge in the family last December. It was um it was a loss of one of our family member.
yeah. I'm so sorry
I
for that. Mm.
Yeah, but I gave it to the Lord kaya I'm getting better. But I mean, yung digital business ko, the community, they did not leave me. I
Yes,
was I stayed away from the business just for that because I need to grieve. But the support I got during my the grieving period, nandun po yung mga business partners ko. And each tiny message or phone call that came from them meant a lot to me. Part siya siguro din ng maturity, but at the same time, you know that behind this screen, nagkikita man kami na ganito lang. These people, they have my best interest at heart. So they gave me the space, but at the same time, they were there as my extended family. So ito po talaga yung nakuha ko sa digital business na hindi ko siguro makukuha sa normal 9 to 5. I don't know. I don't know. Iba siya. So it's up for them to know once they make a decision. Pero I'm telling you, it's been a blessing to me and my family. Kaya, yun yung naging growth ko dito. Yun yung mga nakukuha ko sa digital business. Thank you.
That's really so powerful and so nice to hear what you have just told to us, sis, right
Mm-mm.
now. And I'm really inspired of all what you have just said, and also saying about hope.
Mhm.
Yeah, same as me. This has gave me hope. Because when I before I found this one, I was really on in at my darkest moments that
Mhm.
time, and this business has helped me heal
Yeah.
uh, of what I have been through in my life, and I'm really so thankful that I found this. It has it's like this business has saved me. It's not only financially, but a lot of things with regards to my life, and I'm so thankful that God has led me to this digital business. I'm really so grateful. Since day one, I have no regrets, and I really, really love this business. And it's not just to make an extra income. That's what my reason before when I joined.
Mhm.
But as I went along with this digital business, I found out that there's a lot. This is a proper business, and there's a lot that this business can give to us, like leaving a legacy to our children, to our family, and to our next generations to come. It's like we are changing the blueprints of our generation, so that's really a big thing for us. And also there's a lot of features that this business that is giving to us, like what you have mentioned, isn't it? And also, one thing that I really like on this business, aside from what you have mentioned as well, and also some few other things with regards to finances, and some few things. The one that I really like is we be, we are we became the blessing of others, and it's just make me so happy that this is just my way as well of helping others uh, to um, uh, do something like this alongside with their family.
Yeah.
So yeah, uh, so just curious, sis, because you're a full-time worker, di ba? And you're a mom. Um, so how do you manage your time? You're all. Do you manage it all? Kasi ang dami, di ba? Your time, your family, tapos may business ka pa, di ba? You have a business as well. So how do you manage it all?
I think I'm still a work in progress pagdating sa management ng time kasi when you're a mom, somewhere in between, kahit anong scheduling ang gawin mo, something can happen na pwedeng
Yeah.
hindi na masunod, 'di ba? So ako, what I do is I pair intentionality with my creativity. So halimbawa, just to give you an example, whenever I pick up my daughter, if my toddler is with me, I try to leave home early so that we are in the parking lot with extra time while my son maybe is taking a nap or kung ano man nagpe-play siya, then I do my business like that. I hop online. If I have something to share with my audience, I do it. I make use of my time wisely and with intentionality. Hindi yung I just go online just for the sake of posting something. I don't want to do that. I know when, you know what they say, you know when a person is a car salesman. They are just trying to sell, di ba? No, I don't want to do that. I want my audience to get value every time they visit my page. Because at the end of the day, I want them to leave my page um, my business page encouraged and enriched and with all the tools that they need para makatulong dun sa decision making nila if they want to
Yeah.
move forward in starting a business. Also, it helps kung with regards to scheduling, if you say that you have a spare 2 to 3 hours per day, it doesn't have to be a straight 2 to 3 hours. It can be 30 minutes in the morning, somewhere in between during your lunch break or your coffee break. Basta kailangan may intention ka to show up for your business. That's the key actually. For you to be successful online, you need to just be consistent.
Yes.
Sino ba naman ang gustong pumunta sa isang lugar na one day they are good to you and some days they're just, not there,
Yeah. Yeah.
right? And
That's
that's
correct.
for
Yeah.
me. Gusto ko pag nagpunta sila sa aking business page, may value. So
Yeah.
yun yung goal ko palagi. I am here to help and get all the help that you need. That's where you will find it in my business page. Ganun ko lang siya minamanage. Chunks per day. Doesn't have to be straight. Kasi minsan, when you set that kind of strict schedule, at pag
Yeah.
hindi nasunod, nakaka-stress.
Yeah.
Yun ako.
Oo.
Yun yung
Kasi,
ano ko.
yeah.
Yeah. So, and
Yeah.
it's
Same.
working for me.
Yeah. Yeah, same as Mrs. Kasi I'm also because yeah, because I'm a single mom and it's really hard to because I'm juggling my time as well.
Yeah.
But I just do it like on the pockets of my time. That's how I do it. So it's like even if on my break sa work ko, ganon. Nag-ano ko yung parang I just have a look because we can use this business through our cell phones.
Yeah.
So yeah, so I just check my business like that. So that's same as you, di ba? Yung parang you just because your cell phone is always with you, so you
Mm-hmm.
can just have a look and if even if just a tiny bit of few minutes time for your business. So that's how I do it as well. So and it's that's why I really love this business because one of the features that I love because it's very flexible.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and yeah, so yeah, sis, I have my last question.
Sure.
Promise. For those interested to join this business, what do they need to do to become part? What you can advise?
Yeah. Maybe the first step for them is to ask themselves, what is your why? Bakit ka naghahanap ng extra? Why are you looking for an extra income or maybe flexibility in your time? Why? What are those why? Because as soon as you figure out how strong that why is, gagawin mo ang lahat to give it a go. So second, what's stopping you? Tulad ko po noon, I always had the employee mindset lang. Kasi yun po yung training sa atin. Again, go to a good school, get that degree, find the perfect job, and you live happily ever after. Yun po yung
Yeah,
formula, di ba, ng success long time ago. But
yeah,
not
no,
anymore. Especially when you reach the age na gusto mo mag-start ng family, marirealize mo that success is now beyond just yourself. Success is seeing your kids. giving them the time they deserve, or spending more time with your husband or your wife. Success is maybe having a ano ba yon, yung meal na together kayo, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Or vacations, yung
Yeah.
deserve nyo, hindi yung
Yeah.
kailangan nyo pang humingi ng time off sa mga employer. Yung mga ganon. Once you figure that out, and once you know that you're willing to do anything and everything you can to
Yeah.
reach those goals, wala nang makakastop sa inyo. So my advice is figure that out. Then second, you need to make that decision. Hanapin nyo ano ba talaga yung sagot dyan. And for us in our culture, Filipinos are maparaan.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
With my recent trip to the
Uh,
Philippines, I realized how maparaan Filipinos are. Pwedeng nagta-traffic lang sila and then they earn money, 'di ba? Or they
right.
start their coffee shop or restaurant, whatever.
Mm.
Basta small business is an action that they took para mabago naman yung storya ng buhay nila. So similar lang po ito. And do not let those fear or past experiences or judgment from other people stop you from doing what
Yes.
you think is right for you and your family.
Yeah.
Because here's why. At the end of the day, they can say everything they want to say, but they won't be the one to pay your bills. They will not be the one who will need to tell your children, sorry anak, I cannot send you to that school because it's too expensive. Or they won't be the one to tell you, anak, we cannot buy that kasi we cannot afford it. You have to make that decision for yourself and for your family. And then, nandito na po kami. That's where we come in. We
Yeah.
do have a free webinar, a free info session for you to get an overview, ano ba yung business na to. Find out, because what you don't know, you won't know. And the more doubts you have, the more it will feed itself with more doubt. But once you find those information, kasi what you will get from this webinar is about the business, and you will meet other digital business owners like me and Lisa. And we will be sharing our journey. Paano kami nag-start? From simple beginnings. Humble beginnings, actually. We didn't know social media can actually generate income before. We
Mm.
didn't know that your cell phone or laptop can actually be your biggest tool to make it big. Pero nandito na. And there's no turning back kasi digital age na po tayo. So,
Yes.
get access to that free webinar. Register. You can see our websites on the screen. And then, see for yourself, because at the end of that webinar, we don't force people to join. We only want people who are serious, yung willing to move forward, and talagang pag-aralan yung business by heart. So follow that. Know your why, and don't let the negative thoughts and people around you stop you from achieving, and then register for the webinar. And dun po ninyo malalaman if this business is for you. Simple steps lang po yon. Kaya open invitation po ito sa lahat na nanonood ngayon to give it a go, kasi ganyan din po kami nag-start ni Sis Liza. It all just started with a why. Actually, why with a pain point?
Yeah.
Ano ba yung story ng mga buhay natin, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Why we are looking outside of our um source, kumbaga. Kasi meron pang mas malaking mundo outside of our 9 to 5. I know it's a long answer, but the invitation is here. Just register. Kasi wala pong mawawala sa inyo. You will gain actually. Kasi knowledge is power, sabi nga, di ba? So register na kayo. We have one happening today at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard
Yeah.
Time. Oo,
Yeah.
just check your local time. Kung hindi naman po kayo available, don't worry. We can always send you access to the replay. Yun po.
I really
Haba.
love Sissy, what you said about that there's still life outside the 9 to 5.
Yeah.
So that's really very powerful to say, and I really
Mhm.
love that. And also saying mentioning about our webinar tonight. We have 3 job quitters appearing tonight.
Oh,
So
wow.
a
Yeah.
very powerful live webinar tonight. So it will be a global event, and they can they anywhere they are in the world, they can watch that live tonight, and they can just throw their questions if they like, and they will receive their answers straight away when they are inside that live event. But sometimes it's like here, it will be 1 o'clock a.m. tonight, so
Mm-hmm.
it's really hard sometimes to wait for that time. So as long as they have registered to that webinar to the website, they can just access it via replay. So they can
Yes.
just watch it at any time whenever they are free. So yeah.
Yeah.
So thank you, sis. I think that's all for us for tonight.
Thank
And
you.
you know what? I really enjoyed talking to you tonight, and I'm really very inspired with your story, and I'm very sure our audience has been inspired as well with your what you have mentioned to us, your story, very inspiring story. So it's just a reminder that anybody can build something meaningful, one step at a time. So thank you, sis, for
Well, thank you for
accepting my
inviting me.
invitation, my short notice.
Yeah.
So that's
You're
all for us,
welcome.
guys. Thank you so much, sis. That's all for us, guys, and thank you for watching. And see you all again on my next live stream, just to get
Yeah.
for us to give you some more inspirations.
Yeah.
Good night
Thank
from
you for
Chin,
having
and
me.
good afternoon in Vancouver.
Vancouver. Okay, bye.
Bye, bye, sis.
Bye.